Mount Everest, 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 stands as the most colossal, 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 and awe-inspiring peak on Earth. It is located in the majestic Himalayas, 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 between Nepal and Tibet, and symbolizes perseverance, 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 courage, and human ambition. This monumental, monumental, monumental mountain rises to a staggering height of 8,848 meters, making it the highest point on our planet. Climbers from around the world attempt to conquer this formidable, formidable, formidable peak despite extreme challenges. The journey to the summit is not easy. It requires extraordinary, extraordinary, extraordinary physical strength, mental resilience, and unwavering determination. The environment is harsh, with freezing temperatures, low oxygen levels, and unpredictable weather conditions. Many climbers face life-threatening dangers, such as avalanches, 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 crevasses, and altitude sickness. Yet, despite these risks, the dream of standing on the top of the world continues to attract adventurous souls. Mount Everest, Everest, Everest was first successfully climbed in 1953 by Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Their achievement was a historic moment that inspired generations to push beyond their limits. This mountain is not just about height, but also about symbolism, symbolism, symbolism. It represents the idea that no matter how difficult a goal may seem, with dedication, effort, and courage, it can be achieved. However, Everest also reminds us of the importance of respecting nature. The increasing number of climbers has led to environmental concerns such as pollution, and waste accumulation. Therefore, it is our responsibility to protect and preserve this pristine environment. In conclusion, Mount Everest, Everest is not just a mountain, it is a testament to human spirit. It teaches us that with determination, courage, and hard work, we can overcome even the greatest obstacles and reach incredible heights in life. in life. Beyond this. Everest, Everest, Everest continues to evoke fascination, fascination, fascination among explorers, scientists, and dreamers alike. Its icy slopes and towering ridges create a mesmerizing, mesmerizing landscape that challenges both the body and the mind. Moreover, the mountain plays a crucial role in the ecosystem of the Himalayan region. It influences weather patterns, supports unique flora and fauna, and provides water resources to millions of people living nearby. The culture surrounding Everest is equally remarkable. The Sherpa community, known for their bravery and expertise, has been an integral part of every successful expedition. Their knowledge and resilience are truly invaluable. Climbing Everest is often described as a journey of self-discovery, because it tests a person's limits, patience, and inner strength. Every step toward the summit demands focus, discipline, and the courage to move forward despite fear. In modern times, technology has made climbing slightly more manageable, yet it remains an arduous challenge. The mountain does not forgive carelessness and demands complete respect from those who dare to approach it. Thus, Mount Everest stands not only as a geographical marvel, but also as a powerful lesson. It teaches humility, and reminds us that nature is far greater than human power. Finally, whether one climbs it or simply admires it from afar, Everest will always remain a symbol of aspiration, and the endless pursuit of greatness. Furthermore, Everest continues to inspire a sense of transcendence within those who contemplate its grandeur. It silently teaches that true victory lies not only in reaching the summit, but also in the journey itself. Every expedition becomes a story of endurance, endurance, where climbers battle fatigue, fear, and uncertainty. Yet, in this struggle, they discover their inner strength and develop an indomitable spirit that shapes their character forever. The chilling winds and vast glaciers create a magnificent, yet unforgiving environment that commands respect. It reminds humanity that nature cannot be controlled, but only understood and respected. Even today, Everest remains a symbol of exploration, pushing individuals to expand their limits and embrace challenges that seem impossible. This relentless pursuit of dreams reflects the essence of human ambition. At the same time, it encourages us to adopt a sense of responsibility towards preserving the natural beauty of our planet. Protecting such wonders ensures that future generations can also witness their magnificence. Thus, the legacy of Everest is eternal. It stands as a beacon of hope, courage, and determination, reminding us that no dream is too high if we have the will to rise and achieve it. In addition, Everest evokes a profound sense of reverence among those who witness its towering magnificence. It stands as a silent guardian of time, observing centuries of human curiosity and